Problem number 8. Find and classify the critical point of the function in the given region here. How to do that? We need to calculate out some partial derivatives. Set them equal to 0. Okay, the partial derivative with respect to x. Cosine y, that will be a constant with respect to x. And so this will be 24 minus 12x cosine y. And f sub y, this part will be a constant with respect to y. And then the derivative of cosine y is negative sine y. Okay, so we want to set these equal to 0. So the first one, this first one, there's two possibilities. Either this term is equal to 0 or this term is equal to 0. Okay, when is 24 minus 12x equal to 0? That's when x is equal to 2. So that's one possibility. Cosine y is equal to 0. When is that true? That is going to be at half integer multiples of pi. So pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, along with negative pi over 2, negative 3 pi over 2, Okay. When is f sub y equal to 0? Again, there's two possibilities here. So one is 24x minus 6x squared is equal to 0. This factors as 6x times 4 minus x is equal to 0. So this has two solutions. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 0. And then the other case, sine y is equal to 0. So that is at integer multiples of pi. X is equal to 0, pi, 2 pi, along with negative pi, negative 2 pi, Okay, so what am I doing here? I said 4 and 0, I wrote down 0 and 0. Okay, problem fixed. So the thing here is that we need to, how to come up with a critical point here. There are many critical points. We just have to make sure that we satisfy something over, and one more thing I just realized there. There we go, that's better. Sine y is equal to 0, y has to equal those things. And, man, too many typos. Okay. Okay, so we need to satisfy something over here, and we need to satisfy something over here. So there are many possibilities to do that. So for example, I could pick x is equal to 2. That works over there, and y is equal to 2 pi. That works. Or we could pick, y is equal to 5 pi over 2, and x is equal to 4. And again, there are many possible solutions here. So now we need to take a look at what the constraint is. Find and classify the critical point of the function in the region. X is between 1 and 3. X is between 1 and 3, so that rules out all of these possibilities here. Y is between negative pi over 4 and pi over 4. So the only possibility here is y is equal to 0. So we don't want these. X is between 1 and 3, rule out these. Y is between negative pi over 4 and pi over 4, rule out all of those. Y has to equal 0. Y has to equal 0, that rules out all of these. So to make this side equal to 0, we need x is equal to 2. So the only critical point here is 2, 0. Sorry about all of the typos.